Digital image processing. The spatial data is acquired by remote sensing technology in the form of images, photographs. The raw data received from the imaging sensors on the satellite platforms contains inaccuracies. To overcome these inaccuracies, it needs to undergo several steps of processing. Various techniques are used to enhance quality of the images. This technique is called as digital image processing. Digital processing has the greatest potential for preserving the correct radiometry and the maximum resolutions of the images. DIP is the collection of algorithms processed by the computer system to enhance the quality of raw data in order to get enhanced images for further process of interpretation and data extraction. The steps involved in DIP are image restoration, statistical analysis, image enhancement, image classification. Image restoration, it refers to the correct the distorted or degraded image to represent an original scene. The steps included in image restorations are geometric correction, image rectification, radiometric correction, and noise removal. Image restoration processes are designed to identify noise, geometric distortion, introduced into the data during scanning, transmission, and recording processes. The objective is to map the image resembled to the original scene. Geometric correction. The geometric errors in image occur due to perspective of the sensor, scanning system, the motion of the platform, and curvature and rotation of the earth. Because of these, the image exhibits some sort of scaling, skewing, and rotational errors. This correction procedure is called the geometric correction or rectification. Figure 23, an example for geometric correction. Rectification is the process of assigning the geolocations to the image photograph to remove the geometric distortion. The figure shows an example of corrected and distorted image. Geometric distortions include non-systematic distortions such as variation in spacecraft altitude, velocity, and altitude. These distortions must be corrected from ground control points. Radiometric correction. The reflectance of the ground feature varies as the time and location varies. While mosaicing two different images acquired at different time and location, it is necessary to apply sun elevation and earth-sun distance corrections to normalize the reflectance of the images. This process is called radiometric correction. Noise removal. Image noise is any unwanted disturbance in the image data due to limitation in the sensing instrument or data recording process. Resampling method is used to remove the noise from the images. Image enhancement processes consist of different techniques employed in the calibration of image data for the correction or reduction of errors occurring during capture or transmission of the data. It increases the ability of the analyst to recognize features of interest. Statistical analysis. Histogram. Histogram is a graph showing the number of pixels in an image at different intensity value. For an 8-bit grayscale image, there are 256 different possible intensities. Thus, the histogram will graphically display the range from 0 to 255 numbers, showing the distribution of pixels. Histogram equalization is the technique by which the dynamic range of the DN values of an image is increased. Histogram equalization assigns the intensity values of pixels in the input image in such a way that the output image contains a uniform distribution of intensities. It improves contrast and obtains a uniform histogram. By modifying this histogram, it enhances the image, which is often called contrast stretching or histogram normalization. It is a simple image enhancement technique that improves the contrast in an image by stretching the range of intensity values. The examples are shown in the figure below. After applying the histogram manipulating technique, image looks clearer than the raw image. Figure 25, original image with histogram. Figure 26, modified image after equalized histogram. Histogram shows the number of pixels that correspond to each DN. Contrast generally refers to the difference in gray level values in an image. In other words, it is the ratio of the maximum intensity to the minimum intensity over an image. Larger ratio makes easy interpretation of the image. Satellite images lack inadequate contrast and require contrast improvement. Contrast enhancement techniques expand the range of brightness values in an image so that the image can be efficiently displayed. Linear contrast stretch is the simplest contrast stretch algorithm. The gray values in the original image and the modified image follow a linear relation. A density number in the low range of the original histogram is assigned to extremely black and a value at the high end is assigned to the extremely white. The remaining pixel values are distributed linearly between these extremes. The features or details that were unclear on the original image will be clear in the contrast stretched image. Linear contrast stretch operation can be represented graphically as shown in the figure given below. Linear contrast greatly improves the contrast of the original brightness values, but there is loss of contrast at the extreme high and low end of the DN values. In non-linear contrast enhancement, the input and output data values follow a non-linear transformation. Non-linear contrast enhancement is defined by y is equal to fx, where x is the input data value and y is the output data value. The non-linear contrast enhancement techniques have been found to be useful for enhancing the color contrast between the nearby classes and subclasses of the main class. Spatial filtering is another technique of digital processing function. It is used to enhance the appearance of an image to derive valuable information. In the real world, there are boundaries between features which cannot be seen in raw images. These boundaries can be emphasized using several computer algorithms. Algorithms for this purpose are called filters. Spatial filters are designed to highlight or suppress specific features in an image based on their spatial frequency. A low-pass filter blocks the high spatial frequency details. It is designed to emphasize larger homogeneous areas of similar tone and reduce the smaller detail in an image. Low-pass filters generally serve to smooth the appearance of an image and reduce salt and pepper noise as shown in below figure. The most commonly used low-pass filter methods are mean, median and mode. Figure 28 raw image, figure 29 an example of low-pass filter. High-pass filters are used to emphasize fine details and edges. Figure given below shows the example for high-pass filter in an image. The filter enhances details and clear edges and abrupt discontinuities. Therefore, rock joints, faults, field boundaries and street patterns are clearly visible as compared to raw image. Figure 30 raw image, figure 31 an example of low-pass filter.